Hey, I'm Ryan from RightBlogger, and in this video, I want to show you real quick how to copy and paste content from RightBlogger into your WordPress blog. So with this example here, I generated this article on how to brew Kolsch beer, a step-by-step guide for beginners. And there's a lot of unique formatting in this article. We have bold, we have list formatting, we have italics, we have images, and we want all of that to come through, links as well. We want all of that to come through when we copy this and paste it inside WordPress. So once you have your piece of content ready, this is applicable across all tools inside RightBlogger, you're just going to want to hit this big purple copy button. And once you've copied the content, you'll come over into WordPress. And for this example, I'm going to be loading this article into a brand new post. But the same thing applies if you want to paste this content into an existing article or page on your site. Once you've copied the content, you'll come over and in the heading line here, you want to just paste the content directly in right there. And we've formatted everything so that it should paste through perfectly. And all of the good, unique formatting that you have in your article inside RightBlogger, the list formatting, the bolds, the italics, the images, the links will pull through exactly as expected. Have fun.